When a blue station wagon rolls into the garage, no one expects it to leave as a ferocious racing beast. This transformation involves a turbocharged engine, lightweight body kits, and a futuristic aerodynamic design. Each step in the process is carefully crafted, from the custom interior upgrades fitted with tech-savvy gadgets to the vibrant paint job that turns heads on the road. Cars that once served mundane purposes become wild street racers, injecting adrenaline into everyday commutes. It's not just about speed, it's about innovation, creativity, and the unbreakable bond between a builder and their ride.